Are you seeing Hulu error code RUNUNK13? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy solutions that you can use to fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Since you have encountered the Hulu error code RUNUNK13, try opening Hulu app on another device. If it's a success, then the issue is with the other device or the Hulu app installed in that device. Having said that, if you don't have another device to try this, then reboot your current device and see if the problem persists or not. But if it's not a success, then you need to take other measures to resolve this problem. Method 2. Now, non-updated Hulu apps can also be one of the reasons behind this error. So updating the app can resolve it. Depending on the operating system you are using, whether it's Android, iOS, or something else, you will have specific ways of updating this Hulu application. Follow the native process and update the app, and hopefully this problem will be resolved. Method 3. Now if you see that your Hulu app is updated, but it's still showing this error, then clearing app cache can help your cause. To do that, for Android, you first need to go to Settings and then tap on Apps. After that, locate the app and click on it. Once you are inside the app setting, find Clear the Cache. Similarly, if you are using iOS, then you should know there are no such options to clear cache. Instead, you need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Method 4. If you are still seeing this error, even after trying all the solutions mentioned till now, then you need to check your internet connection. The reason being, sometimes a slow internet connection stops the Hulu app from operating properly. Hence, you see all these errors. So restart the router and modem and see if this issue is resolved or not. Also, you can use third-party apps to check the internet speed. Method 5. The last possible reason for this error code RUNUNK13 is problems with the Hulu server. You can use websites like Down Detector to check if there are any issue with the Hulu server. And if you find any problem, then wait for a bit for it to resolve. And afterwards, you should be able to access the app easily. And there you have it. 5 easy ways to solve Hulu error code RUNUNK13. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.